Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is our day 53 of 100 days of coding challenge. Today we are going to see about JavaScript methods. So let's start. JavaScript map methods. The new map methods. Here are some methods just like new map. By using new map constructor we can create a new map. We can also see this in previous video. If you not watch that video, I suggest you please watch that video. Example clear for example, create a map. For creating a map we can use new map constructor, and this constructor we can pass some array to create an map. Map.get, you get the values of a key in map with the get method. For example, we want to get some values of value of this map, then we can pass keys in that get method, and you can get the value of that key. Like here we are passing in get method apples, then we can get the 500 as a result. Map.set, you can add element to map with the set method. We already see this in previous video, we can check. Here our new method is map.size. The size property returns the number of elements in a map. By using size property we can return how much number is present in our map. Numbers of elements means how much numbers of elements are present in map, we can check by using size method. For example, here we can check fruits dot size. Here we are calling fruit dot size, then we can check the size of these fruits, means how elements are present in numbers of elements present in this map method. Map.delete, the delete method removes a map element. The delete methods removes a map element, means whatever element we want to remove from a map, then we can use a delete method to remove that element from the map. Like if you want to delete apples, then we can just call delete method, and in that delete method we can just pass the key, then that key value pair will be deleted or removes. Map.clear, the clear method removes all the elements from a map. If you want to delete all the or remove all the values that is presented in map, we can just call clear method, then our all values will be removed, or all key values will be removed. Has method, by using has method we can return true if the keys is exist in map. If you want to check some values, like that values is present in that map or not, then by using has method we can check. If when you pass the key, then it will be returned true or false. If that key value is present in that map, then it will be returned true. If it not present in that map, then it will be returned as a false. We can see some here example, like for deleting we can use for removing some element in map we can use delete method, and for checking is it present or not we can use has method. For each method invokes a callback for each keys value pair in map. It means it call a loop for all the key value pair for a map. For example, here we for list all entries we can call for each method, like fruits dot for each, and there we it's call a callback function value and key, and in that method we can assign text equal to plus equal to keys, and then we can concatenate values, means with the key or values we can as a key value we can store all the value that is presented in map in key variable. Map.entries. The entries method returns an iterator object with the key values in a map. By using entries method, we can return all the values that is presented in our map. For example, here we can see list all entries. If you want to see all the elements that is present in our map, then by using entries method we can return or by see our key values pair. Like here we can see if you want to see all the entries, like here our in our fruit map, whatever value is present, by using entries method we can check all the values. For example, here we are checking for of loop and fruits dot, we are calling fruits dot entries, and it will be iterate over all the elements that is presented in our map, and we can assign all the values in our text variable. Maps dot key. The keys method returns an iterator object with the keys in map. Whatever our method, our keys present in our map, it will be returned by using keys method. List all keys. For example, if you want to list all the keys whatever present in our map, so you can use keys method by using fruits dot keys. Maps dot values. The values method returns an iterator object with the values in a map. Whatever value present in our map, by using values method we can return all the values. For example, here we are calling fruits dot values method to iterate all the values. You can use the values method to sum all the values in a map. If you want to sum all the values that is present in map, you can just use or call the values method to, and in a, by creating another variable, and by adding and equal to, you can add all the values that is presented in the map. Object as a key. Being able to use object as a key is an important map feature. For example, create an object. By creating an object like name apple, name bananas, name orange, here we are creating another map. Add new elements to the map. Like by using set method, we are adding some more values in our map. Remember, the key is an object, apple not a string. Here we have to create apples as a object, not as a string. For example, fruit, if you get call fruits dot get, and here we can pass apple as a string, it will be returned undefined, because here apples is assigned as a object, not as a string. Javascript map dot group by. In AS 2024 added the map dot group by method to JavaScript. The map dot group by method groups elements of an object according to a string value returned from a callback function. The map dot group by method does not change the original object. When you use the map dot group by method, then it will not change the original value of our object. For example, here we are creating an array like fruits, and in these fruits we are passing some key values pair like name apple quantity 300, name bananas quantity 500, name oranges quantity 200, name kiwi quantity 150, and then here we are call back function to group all the elements. So here what we can doing, we are calling a callback function, my callback. In that we can pass quantity and return our, if we return our, if quantity is greater than 200, then it will be returned okay, otherwise it will be returned low. Group by equality, const result is equal to map dot group by, and in this method we can just pass fruits and my callback means this function and our fruits array. So if you didn't understand about this map group, don't worry, we can in later chapter we can explain more deeply by some more example in next chapter. So thank you for watching. That's all for this video. We see next topic in next chapter. Thank you for watching.